Okay, so we're going to have a little look at cubic patterns. You're going to learn these two things off. 6a is your third difference, okay, so you'll be able to find this a quite easily. And this is your tn, an cubed plus bn squared plus cn plus d. Okay, so find the nth term of this pattern of numbers. So first of all, you're going to have to figure out what type of pattern it is. So do your loops, okay, your differences. So 13 minus 1, that's 14. 51 take 13, that is 38. 125 take 51. So you're just getting your differences. Okay, it's not linear because your first differences are not the same. So have a look for second difference. And you're just doing T4 take T3, etc. Okay. So it's not quadratic because your second differences aren't constant. So let's try, keep going. We can see that it is cubic. Okay, so that's your third difference. Now we know to start this off, we can say that 6a is equal to my third difference. So 6a is equal to 12. So then a is 12 over 6, which is 2. Okay, so I now know that a. I still need to find b, c and d. Okay, it's the exact same way that you find it with a quadratic, except instead of having 2 variables, we now have 3. So it's going to be simultaneous equations with 3 variables. Okay, so really going back to your algebra 1. Can I get rid of the board here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so all I've done is I've written out my pattern and I filled in my a. So a n cubed plus b n squared plus c n plus d. Okay, so exact same way you're going to do T1, T2 and you're also going to have to do T3 because we've got 3 variables. Okay, so T1 is minus 1. So that means when I fill in 1 for n, my answer is minus 1. So 2 times 1 cubed plus b times 1 squared plus c times 1 plus d, my answer is minus 1. Okay. So that's my first equation, b plus c plus d is minus 3. Okay, so you're just filling in T1. Then you're going to do T2. So T2, my second term, is 13. So when I fill in n is 2, my answer should be 13. So do that. So 2 cubed is your 8, 8 twos is 16, plus 4b plus 2c plus d is 13. So 4b plus 2c plus d, 13 take 16 is minus 3. And then do T3, which is 51. Okay, so fill in your 3. And put it equal to 51. Okay, so you get 54 plus 9b plus 3c plus d is 51. Take 54 is minus 3. So now you've got these 3. Okay, so you can do simultaneous equations with 3 variables. Those d's are nice and easy to cancel off. Okay, so I'm going to take these 2. I'm going to write this one first. 4b plus 2c plus d is minus 3. And I'm going to change all the signs of this. Minus b, minus c, minus d, and 3. Okay. what's going to happen is those d's are going to cancel away. So 4b take b is 3b, 2c take c is c, and minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So I've cancelled the d's out of these two. Then you're going to cancel the d's out of another two. I'm going to probably choose these two. Okay. So again, I'm just going to write this one first. And I'm going to change all the signs of this. Okay, 9b take b is 8b, 3c take c is 2c, and they cancel, and I get equals 0. And now you can do simultaneous equations with these two. Okay, so I have 8b plus 2c is 0, and I'm going to multiply that by 2 and change the signs. So I'm going to multiply by minus 2. So that would be minus 6b minus 2c is 0. Okay, so I just want to cancel the c's. In order to cancel the c's, the numbers have to be the same, but with different signs. Okay, so 8b take 6b is 2b, they cancel, is 0. So b is 0 divided by 2, which is just 0. And then you're going to pick one of these lines, and you're going to fill that b in. Okay, so 3b plus c is 0, so 3 zeros plus c is 0, so 0 plus c is 0, so c is 0 as well. So you've got your b is 0, your c is 0, and you're going to fill it back in, up in one of these lines here, your b and your c. Okay, so I'm just going to fill it back in here. b plus c plus d is minus 3. So b is 0 and c is 0. So you get d is minus 3. So to write that as a general formula, you get 2n cubed plus 0n squared plus 0n minus 3. 2n cubed minus 3.